This is the ethos laser again, and I'm just marking out for a chandelier, which we weren't to know was going to have to go in up here. Had we known this in the summer, could have done it before the roof went on. Now there's EPDM covering, which is not, it's a 50-year covering, and it's not worth cutting through, partly because they've also added a roof at a slight angle on rafters on top of the roof that was there. So you've got EPDM, insulation, OSB, more insulation, tarmac roof, concrete, rafters and void space, concrete again, and then you're into the room. So we're going to do it by constructing an anchor from here on my tower, which I've been using to sort out the HVAC system, which still haven't got going. But I measured the resistance of this MCB here is just for the spur to the room thermostat, which is in 1.5, and I've spurred it off the 6mm. So we've got an extra 6 amp MCB in there. I've measured the resistance of this thing at different flows, and it's always open line. So my suspicion is that the flow meter, which is very plasticky, doesn't in fact work. Slide it to the end of there. But I've made a new brass bolt for it that actually slides on those rails. And what I'm going to do is cut out so that the cable can come out of there into the conduit, which is going to go up. And I'm going to conduit over the fire, the FP200 there, to a position here where the sensor can be placed. And the conduit for a new circuit, probably over to there. So this is the bolt I made. Slides in there. Of course, when the bell's on, that prevents it from coming out of the end. It does slide, it slides in with the hook on. chandelier's up. And the FP200 is ready. And then I've come through in Copex, and it goes along there, and so far the Copex comes here. It's still in the 3-strand braided cable at this point. And I've got a horrible feeling it's going to go through that wall. And then when it goes through that, I'll bring it down this trunking, I'll put it into this light circuit, and I'll put a 3 switch on here.